Nomi version... Oh my gosh, sobrang cute. Okay, ayan na siya. Katag ko yung shop kung saan ko nakuha tong Nomi version 2. The same shop that I got my Nomi version 1 and my Lila Lucky Cat. Huwag natin patagalin to. Let's do this. Can I just say, ang ganda ng packaging ng Nomi. As in, sobrang cute niya, guys. Yun ko marami akong bibili na ganito. Ipapamigay ko sa Christmas. Ito yung choices, by the way. Lahat naman sila cute, pero syempre gusto ko makuha yung secret. Cute! Let's start with the first one. Sana makuha ko sa secret. Sana makuha ko sa secret. No, guys! Parang may sound siya. May beads! Oh my gosh, may beads! This is so fluffy. Dare I say cuter than the version 1. Version 1, version 2. Bakit mas cute yung version... Ay, hindi. Parang actually both naman sila cute. It's okay giving Dumbo and I'm here for it, girl. Ang cute nito. Magagalit ba kayo pag sinabi kong mas cute to kay Labubu? Kasi tignan yung ears, guys. And then, na-change mo yung eyes niya. Ito yung favorite eyes ko kasi parang nakatitig lang siya sa'yo and then ito na yung iba. Okay, ang cute niyan. But yeah, medyo dito naman siya nakaharap. Meron din pala siyang kasamang headpiece. Tapos I think itatali mo siyang ganyan. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, ang cute! We got tulip. Oh my gosh, I cannot with the ears. Sobrang cute ng ears. Hindi ko kinakaya yung cuteness ng ears. Okay, next one. This is kind of like a cotton candy blue purpley color. Lahat sila meron kasamang headpiece. Hindi ko sure kung may version 3 na, pero feeling ko pag nagka-version 3, mas cute pa yun. Secret, secret, please, secret. Cute! Oh my gosh. Okay, parang mas cotton candy pa to dun sa isa. Yung akala kong cotton candy na to, mas cotton candy pa pala to. Campanula. This might be my favorite. I love the colors. Baby blue against the light pink. Si Yulan, guys. Yellow and pink combo, which is Yulan. Ang ganda ng eyes ito. Para siyang brown. Aliw. Aliw. Si Chamomile na lang ang wala. It's either I get that or I get the secret. Manifesting a secret. Okay, yeah. We got Chamomile. This is cute too. It's green and then meron siyang parang yellow and then pink sa likod. Yay! Okay, cute! Oh, and the eyes of this are green. Cute. And it's just like brownish. Ganda rin. Grabe, ang ganda ng eyes talaga ni Nomi. Sobrang ganda ng eyes ni Nomi. It's like twinkling. Ah! Oh, this is so cute!